theme widgets. Here you will find hero widget. You have to find the hero widget, meme hero section here, and just drag this to this canvas area, and your hero widget will be here, and it will come with all demo data, and you just need to upload an image. So for uploading the image, you have to visit hero section image, and here you have to click on upload and then upload files, select desktop meme assets, and here I will just upload this image and just click on insert media. So our image is here, and you can just change all this text, like here hero section details. Here you can add a section ID, like if you click on different sections, like if I click on about, it's just scroll down to this section. This is because this section and this menu item are connected with an ID that is here. You can set the ID, like if you want this section as slider, you can just connect with this slider, and in this menu section you have to add the ID as you created, like you can create home, and here you will notice this section is connected with home hash ID and then the home. After that you have to change the subtitle, that is this text, hello my name is, you can write I am, or my name is Andrew Jordan, or you can just change it to John Doe, and then you can change this description text as well, like anything you want to, my custom description text. And once you update this text, it will be added here. So you can just change the text and it will be reflected here. After that there is hero section button. So if you want to customize this button section, you just have to click on this section, and here you can write download my CV, and this text will be updated here. And if you notice this button has a link, your-link.com, you can just update this link with my portfolio.com. and next section is image section. We just updated, and you can change the image height and width from this section. If you want to change the styles of this section, you have to visit this style section, and here you can change the section background color. Like if you visit this index page, here you will notice this section has a background like this header one. So I will just add this header color, light gray color, and I will just copy this code here, and here I will just paste it, and both the color are now same. So our header and this hero section background color is same. And after that if you want to change the heading styles colors, like this subheading color, you can change from here, like you can change any color from here. And if you want to change the typography, you can change the font family, like if I make it 2 times New Roman or any other color typography font, it will be changed. And you can easily change the spacing of this subheading from here. You just need to add this from here, or you can change spacing or margin from a specific side. Like if you want to increase the space below, so we have to add bottom margin and 10 pixel, or you can add 30 pixel here in the bottom, or you can we will just reset the typography, it's not looking good, so you can change the color as well, and we will just reset the color here. So you can easily change the font typography colors and other things. If you want to change the font size, you can just slide this slider and it will be increased. So changing the fonts is really easy using this typography settings, and after that you have to test all these things, and you can modify these text styles and colors. And after that you will find the heading section. Here is the heading, and this heading text, if you want to change the color, you can just select this color option, or you can click on this icon, and here you can modify the color from this panel. And after that, if you want to change the typography, you can easily change from this section. You can increase the font size or decrease the font size if you want. Also you can change the font weight and other things, and if you want to change the transformation to uppercase, you can do that as well. And after that we will talk about, also you can change the margin and spacing from this section. Like if I unlink this section, and here in the bottom I will add 20 pixel, or on the top 20 or 50 pixel, it will impacted here. Also you can add spacing on left or right. Like if I add 30 pixel on left, it will be added here. So you can just play with these settings, and you can easily modify this. Let's add 20 pixel in the bottom. And after that, the description section. So if you want to change the color of description, you can just change it from here. And after that you can change the typography here. Like if I scroll down, you can easily change the font style to italic or any other style if you want, normal, or if you want to change the text decoration to underline, you can do that using this typography option. And line height, you can adjust line height from here, letter spacing and other things. Like if you want to increase the letter spacing, you can easily do that. If you mess everything up, you have to just click on back to default, and it will be just restore the design. And after that you will find image styles. So these image styles, you have to you can make it left align. Like if you click on left align, the image will be left align near to this text, and if you do center align, it will be centered, or you can make it place it to right. So you can play with these settings and adjust the image. Also you can add spacing on this image. Like if you want to add margin on top, so you can add margin on top. If you want to add margin on bottom, you can easily add margin on bottom. So you have this access as well. And after that you will find the button styles. These button styles is here. So if you want to add some spacing, more spacing on this section, you can easily do this. Like if I unlink this section, and on the left side I will add 30 pixel, and the right side I will add 30 pixel, and the top I will add 25 and or 15, and bottom I will add 15. So our button shape is changed. So you have to you can do any size easily from here. And after that, the button typography. So if you want to change the button this text typography, you can easily change from here. So you just need to change the font size, font style, and here you can increase the font style as well if you want. And all these settings are similar to these heading text and descriptions. So you can adjust the typography of your button as well. And then the box shadow, this will help you adding some color on your bottom. Like if I change the horizontally, change it horizontally, you will notice there has a box shadow behind the button. So you have to adjust this here horizontal and vertical position to adjust your button box shadow. So you can also increase the blurriness here and spread out as well. So you have to test all the things, and here you can do box shadow settings from here. And after that, the button color. So color is divided into two parts, like normal and hover section. So in normal you can change the text color. So if I change the text color to this one, and if you can change the background color to another color. So I will just provide this color, or let give the dark one. So you can change the background color in normal states, and after when someone will hover, the color will be changed as well. So I will visit the hover section, and here you can change the text color to red. Like if I hover, you will notice the text color is changed, and also you can change the background color as well. So if I make it yellow, you will just notice the when I hover, it will be yellow in background. So you can just modify this everything, and it will be impacted on your button. I will just restore all the colors because this is not looking good. So in this way you can easily change this hero section.